this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing and showing you the Otter Box Amplify flat glass screen protector for the iPhone XS Max. We've tried the Otter Box glass before. This is engineered by Corning, which we like. This is the next level in glass protection for your phone and the most expensive glass protector for your phone. So we thought we'd give it a try. We gave the iPhone 5S protector a test a couple of years ago and it's still not broken, so that's kind of amazing. They give you a little cover here to help apply the Amplify glass, accessories kit for the glass, some documentation. You definitely want to read what you're doing and prepare before you install the glass, because you really only get one shot at it. And here's the glass itself. Again, this is engineered by Corning, and they actually engineered the glass on most phones today already. And this is for the iPhone XS Max, and they give you this guide to install it so you don't have any issues with lining it up with your phone. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. If you want the best in glass protection for your phone that fits with the case, an Otter Box case, definitely give this glass a try. This is Chris Roshnot on 24K on Twitter and Instagram.